These are just a little bit of the random items. Got this little table stand, tablet stand for my grandson. Although he has one, but it's a bigger one. I thought this might be small when he's using it. He has a laptop stand, but this is just a little iPod stand, so I thought this might, I don't know, it's plastic, but I thought maybe, I don't know why I just did that right then. Sorry about that, the noise. I don't know why I did that. I apologize. But anyway, so let's see if you would like this or not. Maybe, maybe not, but it's a buck. We'll see. Either way. And so we're doing an altered glass this month, and I wanted some stickers. Let's grab a couple different ones. They have so many different designs. I want to alter something, so alter glass, I want to do that. I picked up these clear mailing seals, 1-inch circles, city envelopes, and then they actually have these silver ribbon bows, which I was surprised to see. These in the Dollar Tree, 16 for $1. And then they had the ornament fillers, which was, you got your little beads, and they're different size, and then you got your little, like, you know, shredded confetti, you know, that you can fill anything up with, your ornament. Then you got these gold and silver beads, and you got your gold confetti. So again, you can put these in ornaments or shakers, different things like that. And I got this on clearance from Walmart, because I think this was one I didn't have. I may already have it, but these were like $5. It was on sale for like $1. I'm not sure it was my haul with that one, but I think I did have that one. And then I got this sticker planning guide from Michael's. And these are templates for your layouts. So you have the actual place where you can, which you probably can't see, but it's a grid there. If we want to help you make a layout. And of course, these are for the larger pages. But it has different designs. The dashboard. The horizontal blocks. So they're 2-page spreads. And like this one, this is smaller. So you just have this extra space over here. You can decorate that as well. This is your monthly layout. Full blank page. So it just kind of help you before you actually do your layout. You can use these as templates to do your layout. And this is for the big happy planner. And they also have it for, I believe they have it in the small. Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. First, happy holidays. I don't know when this video will be up. But it should be up during the holidays, I think, or right after. But anyway, so I don't know what day, so I'm just going to say happy holidays. Pray everybody's safe and well. And it's just a little quick Dollar Tree. And I want to say thank you for those who have been on my channel before and stopping back. And thank you for those who took the time to stop by for the first time. You are free to come back anytime. You are welcome to come back anytime. And just picked up some socks, and I just noticed this pair of socks from the Dollar Tree are dirty. Look at that. Didn't even notice that. Didn't look at the other side. Bummer. I don't like that. Piece of grass in there. Weird. Okay. I just wanted some little stretchy socks. They look a little small, to be honest. It says adult, but I just wanted some socks on my feet when I'm in my craft room. I picked up a lot of other stuff that wasn't necessarily crafty related, but I picked up this ice pad, which you've seen, and I had to get some Just stocking up stuff in my medicine cabinet again. What you call them things? Right here on the box. The wraps. Self-sticking adhesive wraps. You know what I'm trying to say. What's the name I'm trying to say? Ace bandages. That's what I'm trying to say. Wow. Just like lost it. So I picked this up from my sister because purple is her favorite color. Although this is blue and purple in here, and green. But I got this so she can use maybe some mixed media. Because I had got this stencil and she's in another state and she was trying to find it. She couldn't find it, so I went back and I found another one. At first it was only one when I found it, but I hope to find it in another Dollar Tree today. So I picked it up and those two to go along to ship that to her because she wants to make some. These are going to be 20s. We both going to make some 20s. So that's for her. And I needed some more batteries. AA and AAA. I picked up some candy bars, not for me, not that anything wrong with these, but this, I was trying to get the measurements and I just got an extra one, but, because I had to make some wrappers like I did last year for somebody. A couple parties I did last year, so I'm going to have a couple more that I need to make for this year's, but I want to make sure which one they wanted it for, and then I can make those. And what else did I get? Oh, just some eyebrow razors, an electric nail kit. That was part of the reason why I got those batteries. And the other reason why I got the batteries was a gel lamp set, which I saw Colorful Mind had posted, and she said it worked. So that was the AAA batteries that I got. She said it worked, so I figured I'd get it and just check it out because I need to get back to doing my nails, which, oh gosh, yeah, we know how they look. Anyway, so I got that since she said it worked. It's $1, so if it doesn't work that bad, I mean, that, you know, whatever, I'll be okay, but hopefully it works. And so while I was over there in that aisle, I did pick up eyebrow pencil, another eyebrow pencil. And then I picked up some whole bunch of nails. Now, granted, these are nail wraps, so you do not need to use that lamp for that. But anyway, I picked those up. Different colors, different styles, just for the rest of the year to have some whenever I'm in the mood to do whatever. I don't know, I was in a girly mood. So let me get some more stuff. And then, then I did get the nail with the long brush, so you can paint your nails with it, the designs on it. The only color it had was green. And I did get these sets from Hilda and Joe from Joann's. My bag is burst. Some spacers from Joann's. And then the last thing I got from the Dollar Tree was some pencils. And they were just decorative colorful pencils. With different designs. I showed you some I got last week. And I believe that is, what else did I get? Oh, they get some stuff for my grandson, which is not necessarily anything. Yeah. Some snacks that he can share with me. In the craft room before the end of the year because, you know, I got to get his stuff again. I was doing so well. Went 4 months without any. Then I went back for this last week or two on the holidays, and I'm going to give it back up again. So I believe, I'm looking around, I believe that's everything.